Alright guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I got some basil growing in my aquaponics. I just want to teach you today how to prune your basil. So right now you see I pruned some of them. So if you prune them, what's going to happen is they'll grow out in a bush. Instead of growing up like they are over there, they'll grow bushy. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take your basil, and then you see how it grows up like this. It's like a little, grows up like that. You see how it makes like two hands and then a stick right here, and then it's got the bolting, the flowers. So see, so you're gonna trim it right about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissor, and then you can see, trim it right there. And see that? Then anywhere else that it's got flower, like right here, I'm gonna trim that a little bit now. Right up here again. Yeah. Now by pruning it like that, it's going to prevent it from bolting like this. Once again, you can see over here, there's a stem again. It goes this way, then it goes that way, and then in the middle there's a flower. I'm just going to grab that right there. Watch this. Boom. Trim that off, get rid of that. So once again, the advantage of that is the basil is going to be bushy, and you have a bushy basil instead of a tall basil tree with no leaves. I've been doing that, it kind of helps, and I trimmed them down a little bit, but that's all it takes, guys, to trim your basil. Grab them flowers and trim them off, and you'll have a nice basil bush. You have basil year round, unless it's snowing, of course. Alright guys, take care. If you like that content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I want to continue to prune these basils. You can see right there again, there's a flower. It's right up there. See that, guys? Trim that off and get that out of the way. Alright guys, take care. Hope you guys like that content. It's good to make basil. Take the leaves off and make some pesto. Alright. There's some more of my basil trees. I pruned those out, so now they're growing better. They're growing like little bushes instead of trees. I've been working on these basils, trying to get them to look like a bush. Right on. If you guys like that, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to see more of my content. Alright guys, take care.